In this video, we're going to talk about the Quartz three-phase power analysis module. This is a power analysis module for industrial power systems. So 3-phase up to 400 volts per phase, and we have a 16 amp, a 32 amp, and a 64 amp versions, which will measure up to 11 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts, and 44 kilowatts. Our demo here is an off-the-shelf inverter and a 3-phase motor. This is all bought in. We can hit the run button and watch our motor go around, and we can play with the speed. We'd now like to measure the 3-phase power that's coming out of this inverter going into the motor, and so we're going to plug the Quartz unit in and do some measurements. With a Quartz system, there's no probes, there's no bare wires, so it's a very safe and very easy to install system. You just need a set of connectors and you can get in between them. If you don't have them, then you could get an electrician to wire them in for you. So very fast, easy setup for this system. It's powered off power over Ethernet, which I'm going to plug in now, but we also have a USB interface as well, and we're ready to go. I've got my laptop connected to the module. I'm going to power up our Quartz Power Studio software, and I'm going to connect to the device on the table. I can start capturing. With the Quartz system, you stream to the hard drive that's in the computer, so we can capture very long traces. So we can capture almost indefinitely, and we can run at 8 kilosamples a second. That's a sample every 125 microseconds. If I turn on my motor, I can start to see a power up graph, and I can see the inrush current. I can see that the phases are balanced, that this motor is largely behaving itself, and so another interesting application of this product is that I could measure this motor, I could measure it 6 months later, 9 months later, and I can have a look at the performance and see if the performance of the motor is degraded over time, as well as just understanding the power requirements for my system overall and any distortion that it's causing. So what we're looking at here are the 3 voltages and the 3 currents. We also have some power traces on here. And what I can do is I can change the speed of the motor, and we can watch in real time how the waveform is changing as we change the speed of the motor. And we can do some horrible things to it. We can turn it around and watch it slow down and speed up. And we can also hold the motor and start it up. And what we'll see there is a very significant current spike as we do that. And we won't do that for too long. And back to normal operation again. In this video, we've analysed the power going into a 3-phase motor, but this could be any 3-phase AC device. So this could be a server, it could be a compressor, it could be an EV charger. There's really a lot of applications for this product, and all have the same easy installation, easy analysis.